Hi guys, welcome to the brand new episode of Never Should You Ever. The first topic in line that I'm here to speak about is 5 no-nos in your professional career. So let's begin. Number 1, do not let anyone challenge your integrity. What this means is there has to be a line, a fine line at your workplace or your personal lives that no one should be able to cross unless they are authorized to. And the people with authority are very few, right? Your parents, your spouses, your very close friends, siblings, whatever. But it is not for everyone to cross. It's not for everyone to challenge. So you have to be able to draw that line at your workplace or in your life. It's not for them to draw it, it's for you to draw it. Anytime you see anyone crossing that line, you have to be able to let them know that this is not okay. It's again not for them to realize, but for you to make them realize that it's in your hand. The way people behave with you is regulated by you and only you. I hear a lot of times where I say, when I've heard my colleagues and friends say, they should not have said that. Why did you allow it? Do not allow anyone to cross that line. Remember, if you allow it once, you're giving them a gateway to do it over and over again. So please keep that in mind. Have that line made in your head, reflect it through your behavior. Don't be rude, but make sure people know about it. Number 2, self-doubt. We're all working in a very, very challenging workplace atmosphere. I mean, it's competitive, it's high pressure, demanding, all of that. A lot of times our bosses, our colleagues, our one-downs maybe, end up talking to us in such a way that may put us in self-doubt. Now, let me be very honest and tell you, it's not that they always have ill at heart. Sometimes they are bogged down too. I mean, we are all humans, right? How much can everyone take? So sometimes they do it unconsciously, and some very sad times they do it consciously. All I want to let you all know is that should not let you ponder upon your existence or your capabilities. Remember this, that the only person who knows you, your capabilities, your limitations the best is you. Yes, it's a journey of self-discovery and you will learn more through days and age, but no one can kind of tell you about yourself and make you doubt yourself. Always remember, whatever happens, your belief about yourself has to be really strong. Because when you show that strength, trust me, the person in front can see it too. You are a reflection of yourself. So please do not let anyone ever put you in self-doubt. Number 3. Again, very closely related to number 2, pride. The flip side of not letting anyone put you into self-doubt is pride. Sometimes at work or team meetings, personal lives, we take appreciation too seriously. We become pompous and we want to let everyone know about our achievement by talking about it. That's not the right way. I mean, take it, enjoy it, celebrate it with your loved ones, and work on your next achievement. You don't need to rub it in at every chance you need. You don't need to become a know-it-all, because trust me guys, people hate know-it-alls. So the only way to become very, very successful in your professional and personal life is to keep learning, and that happens when you put aside pride. So let's have a no-no towards pride. Number 4, insecurity. I honestly encourage a healthy competitive atmosphere in my team. I love it when they have, they have that spirit to better each other towards the victory of the whole team. But it should not lead to insecurity. Remember one thing, guys, there are people who have different set of capabilities, sometimes better than you. The only way to be successful is to become a sponge and soak it in. Why become insecure? Why try to put them down and then climb ahead? Because the universe watches this and you are going to be put in your place one day or the other. So it's not at all your road to success, and it won't last for long. So don't let insecurity rule the way you behave or you succeed in life. My last and very important part, disbalanced work life. Work is important. Deadlines are important. Success, promotion, money, everything important. Not at the cost of your health, your happiness, your family, anything that you love to do. I know of a lot of people, and even for, I think I'm a living example of this. I used to feel proud of saying I work 12 hours for 5 days a week. After 12 years of working in this space, I know more I'm proud of this. Because I honestly missed a lot on life. And now I have gotten to realize that, and I'm going to express this to all the younger generation. I think who are already doing it, but please keep this in life. There is more to life than just work and money and promotions. So please make sure to manage your work in such a way that you do have a life. You do get to enjoy the evening. You do get to go for a walk. And you do get to sit and just relax at it. So those are my 5 no-nos. I hope they've helped you. And watch out for our next episodes as we talk about various different, very, very interesting topics. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful Saturday.